Hi. Oh, are you cooking? Yes, I'm cooking. Does it so very itchy in your throat? That's right. It's so very itchy in my throat. Are you don't like to taking medicine? Yes, I'm so don't like taking medicine. Aha, I have a solution for you. And don't be afraid of the side effect because the solution I'm going to share in this time using by herbal ingredients and that is there is in your kitchen. Let's we try it. Okay guys, the first of all we must to prepare the tools and the material that we will using in all have. Let's check it out. Okay guys, this is the tools we will use to make an herbal hiking cook. We must to prepare a spoon, knife and glass. And next we will prepare the material. The first material is the lime and soy sauce. Let's we try to make it. Okay, first of all, we have to cut the lime first. Just trace the lime. And second, take the glass and a spoon, and then pour the sweet soy sauce into spoon. So the lime, okay. One. And then, next, let's squeeze the lime into glass. And throw into this one. And next, let's mix the sweet soy sauce with the lime. Guys, can you see? And then, can you spoon? This is for you. Okay, thanks. Are you sure? I can drink it. Okay, I will try it. The taste is super freak. Okay. Thanks for your watching this video. I hope you can get the benefit from this video and thanks. See you next time. Bye.